today we have several offers happening here, and we are glad to give our customers best prices offer. Our prices are reduced to 50%. If you go to the line on here, you can find these are cyclettes set at normal prices at 20, and right now we are selling at 120 each. Well, we have the dinner plates, the side dinner, the big dinner plates here. We sell from 220 to 100 and 120. That's a reduced price to half, 50% half price. We also have soup plates here. More of our items are down there, but we have samples up here, selling at the 50% cut price. I think this lady will try to hit that nail on that. Yes. I think that most of you can think that that's just a normal glass. It's a glass heated properly with good materials that you cannot just break it. Yes. And that is LUMINARC. Those are LUMINARC glasses. We sell products of good quality. The plates, you can scratch the plate. I think that you can see the flowers are not coming out. It is thin and tampered.